Good afternoon, my name is Ángela Garcia. Today I'm going to talk about the activity number 7, that is recording. And the first point is about the reading in IPA symbol. Emotions are states, feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clear day or caused by some circumstance. Positive emotions include pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positives and enjoy to buy. Always try to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, sadness, envy, and disgust. The second point is the minimal pairs, that is cat, bat, white, wise, ride, kite, night, take, stick, coke, coat, pin, bean, till, peel, teach, fish, they, pay, deal, peel, dog, day, back, toll, call, tool, cool, tape, toad, cape, town, gown, tap, gap, tool, goal, tag, gap, table, gable, pin, pin, tail, fail, ton, pan, tick, and big. The number 3 point is intonation. Statements with one stress. She works, we looked, it stopped. Statements with 2 stress. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped, the weather has changed. Statements with 3 stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with 5 stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question following intonation. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question. Rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request. Rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question. Rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it. Have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it. Should I? Commands. Falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request. Rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Falling intonation. It's good time to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Rising intonation. Ella, can I help you? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating. Rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, he didn't. Okay, thank you for your attention.